How to see friends activity on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to see friends activity on Instagram. When you come over to your Instagram application and if you want to see your friends activities, then you can just head over to your notifications sections and you can see all of the friends who's been popping up on your notifications, like who shared the post, who recently shared a new reel. If you are new to Instagram, these notifications might be coming more than enough. So but there is, if you find, try to find or go to the settings section by simply coming over to this hamburger icon at the profile top of your profile. You can see there is no any option to directly see the friends activity on Instagram. So instead, the alternative way what you can do is just head over to that particular friend's profile and you can see what they are up to now, and you can check it out if they have been tagged on the particular post, just like this, by simply coming over to their tagged post over here, and you can see their recent activities, but you cannot directly view the friends activities options on Instagram. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.